This is my quick and dirty setup of how I connected a signal generator to a Micrologix PLC. So I currently have this signal generator set to voltage output, so it produces 0 to 10 volts across this prototyping board and into the analog inputs of this Micrologix 1100 PLC. PLC is connected to the network via this router. And this laptop is on the same network running RS500 with a single routine that has one rung that performs a math problem. At input :0.4, it reads a raw value. It divides that value by 100 and stores the output in the float table F8:0. I do this so the value for comparison is in a similar format to what is displayed on the signal generator. Additionally, I have a multimeter running alongside the signal generator to confirm the voltage at the board. So as I dial up the potentiometer, you can see the values on the screen go up in real time with the increase in voltage from the signal generator. Additionally, multimeter increases as I continue to dial on the signal generator. Now, if you notice, there is a slight variation on what is being displayed with the signal generator and what is being read by the PLC in real time. Slight variation. Why do you think that is? Give that some thought, and we'll talk about that in the next class. Additionally, think about how we can convert this setup to our Micrologix 5380 series PLC equipment, and how we can set up proper tags and analog input modules in Studio 5000. Until then, sails up.